Okay, y'all know what to do. Y'all know who it is. Let's go. If you watching this, hit the like button like right now, man. Don't waste no more time. Start smashing them heart buttons. Hit them heart emojis, man. Let's go. Haha. What up, YouTube? We back with another one, man. Huh. I don't know what I'm gonna do this time to get in here, man. I don't know. But this what it look like, man. This what it look like. I wanna get out and show y'all exactly where I gotta go. Which makes me unsure of why and how I'm gonna get in there. Let's go. Let's see. Now, I have walked back here already, and like I said, not too sure, but this turn right here, man, this turn right here is the first part. I don't think there's enough space for me to turn into the driveway. Here's the helper. How you doing, man? This is just recording it, bro.
Okay.
Been all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the people are not going to be here until another 30 minutes maybe.
Is it on this side?
It's on that side over there. Yeah.
At the end?
Yeah, at the end. So I'm thinking we probably either go through the garage or go to the front if we have to, but I think we'll probably be going through the garage, looks like, because it's unit number 4 right there. So yeah, that's why I said I'm going to see if I'm going to pull in, come straight in, and then maybe jackknife back around that way. But
what if you go around the circle this way?
Yeah, and come back in too. Yeah, we can do that too. Well, I need to take a left turn.
Yeah. And
come right in. Yeah. Great minds think alike, you know.
That's right.
Yeah. The 2 minds are better than 1.
What unit you said?
Say that again?
What unit?
4.
Okay.
Yep. We go over to the 4, man. But yeah, I'll make a left, man.
Yeah.
I'll make a left and then
I'll move that rock and you'll be all right.
Yeah. Worst case scenario. Yeah. But yeah, overall, that's what we got. So yeah, I like that he said that. It wasn't wrong, man, because I was thinking about just pulling in a jackknife. See, yeah, I like to do a little extra because I can, you know, and I like, oh, EJ, you could have just did this. I could have. It doesn't show the driving skills. But hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's get this thing done. Yeah, I did put this camera the wrong way, so now I gotta stop it. All right, there you go. going to be difficult. Nice. Almost. I might have got to kind of cut it around this curve. Let me show y'all what I mean. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me see. I want to kind of cut it around that curve over there. That's what I'm trying to do right there. Get it close to that curve on that side. So, yeah. But I got enough space, man. Got enough space to go in. Hit the edge right there like I usually do. Take it right on up in there, so. Actually, I think I messed myself up. Yeah, I think I messed myself up. Let's see. I might have. I think I'm too close to the curve on the other side. Yeah, I messed myself up. Show you why. That rock up there, I was too close to it. But let's go. Let's pull back hard this way. Give myself some space back here. Right before the tires touch the ground. There you go, about right there. They ain't got to touch. That'll allow me to actually kick my trailer over like I wanted to the first time and then actually straighten it up. So I didn't straighten it up now. Now it's kicked over now. That's how I wanted it. And then on the other side, I got a whole lot of space. Got a whole lot of space. Right there. That allows me to be exactly like I am right now. There you go. There you go. Almost. All right. Gotta pull for it. Now, looks like I gotta get some more space on the other side, man. I probably gotta go back some more. I want my trailer to go to the right over here. Branches, grass. All right, looking good. Woo! Look at that. God dang. Trying to stay off this grass. Alright. One more time, y'all. There's a lot of doing, but it is done. It's done. Man. All I need to do now is measure up my doors. Measure up my doors and find the best spot to come out of. I don't want to come out the back doors, but in the way I do, but then, I don't know. If y'all remember what happened to this, what happened on this shipment, you'll know why I don't want to come out the back doors as much. But hey, like I said, we'll see, man. I think I'm about to come out the back doors regardless. Yeah. Yeah, I might have to come out the back doors. So I don't think there's enough space. I don't think there's enough space. I want to come out. My first door on this side, the one that's closer towards the cab. But yeah, overall, y'all, 2 miles are better than 1. I just don't think I'm gonna be able to come out the door I want to. Yeah. Well, still got some space back there. I was trying to see if I could come out that door on that side. I mean, we can come out the back. The shipment is towards the back. Oh yeah, not too bad. Yeah, the shipment is like right here. But I guess I can come out the back because it's more clustered in the back. But hey, it's whatever, I guess. Yeah, I had to strap the dollies outside the truck. You see the tip, this still is out. Yeah. Yep.
Are you gonna dig out or are you gonna come out to the back?
Yeah, we could probably come out to the back just on and just call it a day. Let me grab the key. Like I said, because it starts like right there, like midway.
Yeah.
Yeah, like right here somewhere. Oh yeah, it's about right here. About 1,500 cube. No, they probably told you 10,000 pounds, right? It's not. It says only about 1,500 cube. Let's open this door though. If y'all seen it, y'all know what to do, man. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already did it. Tune in all the time. All the time. That way you can ask some questions if you need to. But until then, in the meantime, in between time, y'all know what to do. Come holler at your boy, and I'll see y'all later. Your boy Trucker is out. Peace.